Hey there, so if you have a lot of houseplants and want to get organized, then this spreadsheet is perfect for you. This is available in Google Sheets and Excel. Here it goes, I'll show you how it works. So we have multiple different sheets available within this planner. This one is a plant care tracker, so this will just keep track of what plants that you have, when you need to refertilize, when to repot, when did you last water it, and then the next water date. So we'll just come in here and we'll put the name of the plant. You can choose the type of sunlight that it needs, the max height, the soil type, the water needs, location, and then you can double click in here to choose when you need to fertilize it next, and then when your next watering date is. Now, when you choose the next watering date, it'll tell you the next how many days you have until the next watering. And you can choose from the drop-down box what condition it is, if it's doing great, if it needs some attention, any common issues, and any notes. So you're just typing this in. This will calculate the total number of plants that you own. The next one is your journal. So if you wanted to, choose a date, what did you accomplish? I took off dead leaves. Did you notice anything or things that you want to improve with your plants? Do you have a to-do list and any goals? This one is a calendar, so things that you would like to keep up with in the spring and every season and which month. So say in the spring, we're going to choose from the drop-down box, choose the month, and then what tasks do you have? So weekly, we're going to be watering the plants on Friday, and then monthly tasks, we're going to, check for repotting and other tasks you can put there as well. The plant care guide, so this would be where you can put down when especially when you get a new plant and you get the little tab that goes inside your plant, you can write down the name of your plant, the scientific name, the type, what kind of light and water needs it has, the soil needs, what kind of temperature does it need to be, the planting season, how fast does it grow, any common issues, and any notes. So if this was a, African violet, the notes would be like, don't get the leaves wet kind of thing. And then plant wish list. So this would be, I saw a bunch of plants and I want all today. And then we can say, I want another African violet. I found it online. And then, it was like pink. Let's say it was light pink with ruffled flowers. And then, it was $20 and any notes. And then your expense tracker, if you want to keep track of how much you're spending on your hobbies, you can again choose dates, the category, the place, how much you paid, or the payment method, the description, how much you paid, and then any notes. So if you spent $1,000 on something, it's going to keep track of your total expenses here. This is a formula. So that's essentially how this sheet works. The only difference is if you're in Excel, you won't be able to double click to choose a date, so you'll just have to type in dates manually. So that's really the only difference. Everything else will work just fine. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com, and you have a great day.